Change is hard. Just think about the last time your phone updated and all your icons moved around. Well, that's what I'm here to talk about. Not where your icons move to, but change. COVID hit our community, your organizations, your schools, your homes, and every form of human connection you can think of. In that wake, we've gathered almost monthly to talk about what truly matters. People, the human connection that enables people to come home safely. We've talked about the complexities of the systems within our organizations. Your appetite to gather virtually for our monthly webinars has changed. So starting in 2026, we're moving to quarterly workshops. These will be 90-minute sessions, blending 45 minutes of presentation with 45 minutes of small group work in breakout rooms. That balance gives us time for learning, but also time for real application, conversations, and further community building. Each workshop will follow one of our core learning tracks: people, processes, or profitability. How do you take the practices of HOP, high reliability, RCA, learning teams, etc., and apply them to improve people's lives, the processes in your organization, or the overall profitability of the business? The abstract submission form for these workshops is now active, and the board and I encourage you to share your best ideas. Some proposals may even tie directly into our annual conference. FYI, the submission window for the conference abstracts will also open soon. Our selection committee will review the submissions, and just like the conference, they'll ensure the quality is high. This change isn't about the format of a webinar. It's about listening to you and developing our long-term organizational vision. We want you to see the community of human and organizational learning as your first resource for thought leadership, growth, and collaboration in operational excellence. We're the place to learn from the best and brightest so that you can make the biggest impact on your organizations. Please take a moment to think about what you could contribute and submit your abstract. Together, we'll make these workshops a space where ideas don't just get shared, they get practiced. Thank you for being a part of this journey, and thank you for being a part of our community. Change may not always be easy, but when it's purposeful, it makes us stronger. And I can promise you these workshops will be worth it.